guys, welcome back. We wanted to give you guys some tips on doing laundry on a 14-day cruise. So after 14 days, you're probably going to need to do some laundry. Especially us, we're going to be actually going to other places after our cruise, so we really needed to do laundry. If you take a look at the list that they give you, the prices are insane. You could easily run up a couple $100 for doing about 3 or 4 days worth of laundry. So the trick is not to go by this. What you do is you ask your room steward for a flat rate. They give you a laundry bag, okay, and it's about half the size of a regular grocery bag, so it's not too big. But if you roll up your stuff and if you pack it carefully, you could fit about 10 days of laundry in here, and you can negotiate a flat fee with your room steward. For us, we were able to fit 10 days worth of laundry in this bag. As you can see, it's a little bit raggedy, but we did it. All the laundry is here behind me. We had lots of pairs of socks, underwear, some t-shirts, things we wore on the plane that we wanted to get clean. A couple of light cover-ups that we used for when we were in air conditioning rooms that were a little bit colder. So this is about 10 days worth of laundry, and our room steward did it for us for about $40. That's a great bargain, and there's not a self-laundry on this particular ship, on the Celebrity Silhouette, so it may be necessary for you to take advantage of the laundry services on the ship. But again, don't go by their retail prices. Definitely ask your room steward what kind of rates they can offer you. Like I said, we got it for $40. I don't know what kind of rates that they can offer you, but definitely ask your room steward about that instead of going by the prices that they gave you on the list.
And how much was it per individual pieces, Annie? Just to give them an idea.
I mean, the pieces were, if you wanted to clean a pair of pants, of $7. Each pair of socks is $3. If you have 10 pairs of socks, that's $30. That's crazy. Then a pair of underwear is $3. So 10 pairs of underwear, that's another $30. So that's $60 just for socks and underwear. We had at least 10 pairs of socks and underwear just in this pile alone, and that's not including the multiple t-shirts, shorts, and other cover-ups we had. So we did a good, I would say, $100 worth of laundry for about $40, and it was a great bargain. So that's our look at our laundry. We just wanted to give you guys some tips to save some money on the cruise while also being comfortable. Click on the subscribe button below. We love our subscribers. We love taking you guys along and showing you the world and helping you guys plan your next trip. So again, subscribe and come back to Cruise Channel. We'll see you guys next time.